Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So, today the market opened positive and closed in green. Most of the countries are not active today due to the New Year vacation. So, the US is also closed today. The price action will check at the end of the video. Let's start with the open interest analysis. So, today the volume was very less. So, let's start with FII. In options, they were holding 1,64,000 contract input, so they have unwinded 11,000 contract, but still holding 1.53 lakhs of put buying. And in call, they were holding 52,000 call buying, so they have only added 162 contracts, so they have 53,000 contracts now in call. So put is more than call, it means they are bearish. In future index, they have reduced their longs, increased their short. So they have 47% long and 53% short. It means this is also slightly going into a bearish territory. And stock future percentage, they are 52% long, 48% short, and they have sold for 212 crores in the cash market. So see, in futures they are almost neutral to negative, and options they are negative, and stock they are almost neutral, and they are selling in cash market. So they are, the view of FII is negative only. Client are the retailers. Input they were holding 2 lakhs of put writing. Today they have unwinded 83,000 contracts, so they have booked the profit in put writing. And in call they were holding 57,000 of call buying. Now they have unwinded 43,000 contract. It means they have booked the profit in call side. Now still holding 15,000 of call contracts. So they are very much bullish in options. And in future index they have increased 1% long and reduced 1% short. They have 60% long and 40% short. And in stock future percentage, 87% long and 13% short. They are very much bullish in all the derivative segments, and they are selling in cash market. They sold for 305 crores. Promoters input, they were holding 9,000 of contract. They have unwinded this and made a fresh put writing of 68,000 contract today. And in call they were holding 1,10,000 of call writing. They have unwinded 43,000 contract in call writing, but still holding 67,000 of call writing now. So almost equal number of call writing put writing. They believe the market has to be in a small range. And in future index, they have increased the long, reduced the short by 5%. So they have 36% long, 64% short. And in stock future percentage, 70% long, 30% short. They purchase for 232 crores in the cash market. So see the promoters view, they are bearish in future index, they are neutral in options, they are positive in stock futures, they are purchasing cash market. So they are hedging the positions and keeping the good number of stocks in stock futures. DIA have purchased for 743 crores today. So cash flow was 458 crores, positive number. PCR put call ratio Nifty today was 0.87 as well, with the Bank Nifty 0.87 today, and month end Nifty 1.41 and Bank Nifty 1.22. See, PCR is stating it is neutral to positive. For the month end it is very much positive. So there is a good number of put writing. They are not unwinding. It means this shows the positiveness of this month. So now we'll check the price action. Anyhow, the US market is closed, so we'll check only for our market. So today the India VIX has crashed 1%. It is 14.68 now. So it is at comfortable level. So Nifty, see what the chart is stating in 1 day time frame. So this is the spot Nifty spot chart. So we have a major support of 18,100. If we broke this level, then we can have a very good fall of 17,800. We can consider this. So 300 to 400 points we can capture if we broke this level. And on a higher side, we have only 300, 200 points of range we have here. Still see the prior day red candle closing, it stayed the bullish engulfing candle. So still the Nifty seems to be negative only. Now let's check the Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. See, it is also a bullish engulfing kind of a candle it has closed. Even though we have opened positive and closed in green, but Nifty and Bank Nifty, the volume was very less today and it seems to be weak now. So until we are trading in this range of 43,500 to 42,600. A consolidation in Bank Nifty, it will be very good and positive for the market. Bank Nifty is slight positive only. So as per the open interest analysis, see FII have 53% short in futures and good number of put, whereas promoter also having 64% short, and he has managed equal number of call writing put writing. So this could be a hedging position. Even the open interest analysis also stating some negativeness. So what will be the strategy? So strategy, see, after seeing the open interest analysis, it is more on negative side. So be cautious while taking a trade on a positive side, and we can be little confident shorting the market as per the open interest analysis. So see, if you're getting a good scalping trade on a positive side, we can scalp in a intraday. Keep an eye on India VIX. If it is going up, we can still think of shorting the market. That's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.